This program aims to teach you a little bit about massage. But before we actually begin and start to teach you some of the simple massage strokes, it's essential that you should understand a little bit about the anatomical makeup of the horse. The bones of a horse's skeleton, the real bones of a horse's skeleton. And we have one here on the table. It comes into three sections, really. These are the bones of the neck. These are the enormous spines coming up from the vertebral bodies down here, from which the ribs spring. And then we come to the area on which you sit, which is from here to here, and then the loins themselves, and finally a bone called the sacrum. And now to the actual massage strokes themselves. I'm going to demonstrate 4 individually, one after the other, and discuss them, and then do a whole body massage. The horse can't stretch himself in the way that the human does, and so you, the owner or the groom, have to do it for him.